Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making these muffins. This is called corn muffin. It's a requested video. A friend and sister gifted me this pack of corn muffin mix and asked me to make it so that she can learn from it. So today we are making it so that she can also learn and make it for her children. Sis, I hope you are watching this video. So let's get started. Here I have a pack of this corn muffin mix. It's already mixed, so the only thing we need to add here is egg and milk. This is just a cup of corn mix, so we're using 1 egg and a 1/3 cup of milk. I'll go ahead now, open the pack and pour out the corn mix into a mixing bowl. It has a kind of lumps, so I'm just using my hand whisk to smoothen it a bit. The mixing bowl I'm using is not big enough, so I had to transfer it to a bigger bowl. Next, I'll just make a little hole in the middle and then pour in the egg. And 1/3 cup of milk. I'm also adding a teaspoon of oil. I'm using olive oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will then mix everything together gently. I will also be adding these seedless raisins, but this is optional. Next, I'll transfer the batter or the mix into my muffin pans, which I've lined with some muffin peppers. Next, I'll clean the pan well, tap it a bit to smoothen the batter in the cups, and then transfer to the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. And here we have our corn muffins, and this was so delicious. I baked this for 30 minutes at 240 degrees Celsius. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye.